Are you looking for the best camera for motorcycle helmet? In this video, we will break down the top 6 camera for motorcycle helmets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. GOPRO HERO8 Black. The standard by which action cameras are measured right now, the GOPRO Hero 8 Black is an exceptional piece of kit for helmet-mounted shooting. It takes all the best features of the cameras that came before and builds on them, so you get the hyper-smooth stabilization of the Hero 7 and adds an improved video quality with the ability to record 4K video at 60p. It also introduced the concept of media mods, optional extras that can be added to the camera to bring it more in line with your shooting preferences. The one most relevant to helmet-mounted shooting is the light mod, a LED that can be attached to the camera and provide a light output of up to 200 lumens. This comes with its own rechargeable battery, which is good, because battery life on the Hero 8 Black is only okay, lasting for about 50 minutes of continuous shooting. The spare power pack is definitely in order, if you have plans for a long ride. At number 2. DJI OSMO Action Digital Camera. This mid-range camera comes with decent features and a reputation for excellent image stability and water-resistant properties. It is better for their drones and robots, both highly regarded by consumers. The Action series is their first venture into an action camera product. It's a pretty solid effort too. 4K at 60 FPS, HDR, image stabilization, and excellent waterproofing are all present, making this a legitimate alternative to a GoPro. DJI has also opted for a fairly simple plug-and-play option, with a host of options in the menus for people who like to tweak and twiddle with their settings. In this case, there's fun to be had in those settings. Features like slow motion, custom exposure, and time-lapse are all here perfect for any budding content creators out there. The waterproofing here is rated to 11 meters, slightly better than the competition. It's achieved using watertight seals on the unit and a hydrophobic coating on the touchscreen. The dual screens here aren't of much use for motorcycling. It's a cool feature for content creators who want to be able to speak to the camera and monitor the shot. This also ships without a memory card installed. You'll need to order one at the same time if you want to use this camera the day it arrives. At number 3. INNOVV K3 Dual Channel MOTORCYLE MOTOCAM. The INNOVV K3 is prepared to handle any weather condition you ride in, and is rated IP67 waterproof, meaning this is completely dust-proof, and can be immersed in up to 3 feet of water for a period of 30 minutes. So, unless you're planning on launching your bike into a lake, you're sure to be covered. The remote control has been upgraded to a fully metal construction, and gives the rider the system status at a glance, while Riding.it has also received a microphone for recording engine sounds of rider narration. The cable is long enough to reach the rider from many remote mounting locations for the DVR unit. Dual HD cameras record front and rear views simultaneously in your choice of 1080p 30 fps or 720p 60 fps, and a Wi-Fi connection allows for reviewing and sharing of videos directly on a smartphone. Parking mode can record any attempts to molest your motorcycle while you aren't there. The built-in user-adjustable G sensor automatically protects the current recording from erasure if the unit detects an accident. Loop recording starts recording over the oldest files first when the microSD card fills up. Still, with a maximum card size of 256 GB, you can record approximately 18 hours of video before the unit overwrites old files. At number 4. GOPRO HERO7 Black. When it comes to their helmet cameras, the HERO7 is possibly one of the most reputable, and will be one that many motorcycle riders have at least considered, even if they bought a different one. The main reason why this camera is so popular with motorcycle riders is that it is ever so easy to stabilize it during a ride. You just click it onto your helmet, and you're then good to go. You won't need to worry about any wobbles or super quick movements blurring the footage while you are riding either. That's because the camera has an inbuilt feature that gives it the ability to detect and predict movements, which gives it a chance to correct the camera. This means that your footage will also come out very smooth. The camera can also automatically add HDR to the footage, and can also use a cool time warping feature. The time warping allows you to create a stable time lapse while you move around, giving you the chance to make some really cool effects. What's more, this camera can be powered by voice commands, so you don't always have to pull over just to change any of its settings. At number 5. AKASO Brave 4 4K 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera. This camera features 4K image quality at 24 frames per second for impressive photos and clear HD quality videos. This model is highly adjustable, so you can adjust the view angle based on your needs, including 70 degrees, 110 degrees, 140 degrees, and 170 degrees. The camera's built-in smart gyroscope is designed to promote image stabilization and anti-shaking in order to produce smoother video footage. Now, you can edit and share videos from this helmet camera by downloading the free app. Download the app to your tablet or smartphone and connect the camera. This model features a Wi-Fi signal that offers a 10-meter range. The included HDMI port will allow you to connect your camera to the TV. In terms of weatherproof features, this model is able to withstand submersion at 100 feet deep. Before being submerged or in the event of a heavy downpour, you'll need to place the waterproof case on the camera. This model works for helmet use, diving, surfing, and swimming. The large 2-inch display screen will give you a glimpse of your video footage before sharing it to social media. At number 6. GOPRO Hero Action Camera. This is a highly convenient camera for everyday use. It would suit a rider with no experience of using a motorcycle helmet camera, or who are looking for a backup camera. You can turn on the power and start recording with a single press of a button. When you stop recording, it will automatically turn itself off. The video quality is 1080p 60, high resolution with 1440 pixels per inch, and it records at 100 frames per second, so you get smooth playback. The photo capture is 8MP, giving you exceptional image and video quality. The design of this motorcycle camera is both compact, rugged and waterproof, so there is no need for you to have a separate housing. It can connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi via the GoPro app, so sharing images is no problem.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.